I can't do it anymore, May. It's just like the stories they told us when we were kids. But it's true. There really are monsters, May.
Hold on, June. We're coming.
This is gonna be close. We're locked in.
Let's see about that later. For now, we just go on.
They're trying to get in. Help me.
Hold on, we're on our way. June really needs me, Sven. We have to find her. It's okay, I charged it. Is everyone like you in Norway? I'm going to hack into this drive in less than 2 minutes. My sister is not going to die because of some stupid code. We're close, June, trust me. They won't get you.
May, they got in.
June, damn it. Quickly, Sven.
We're almost there. If we don't find June quickly, she'll die. Oh no!
You're gonna pay. I'm gonna bust you up. I can't see where she is.
I'm sorry.
May,
June, tell me you're okay.
I fell into the cellar. I don't know where I am. It's dark here.
Let's go to the reception area downstairs. The basements are packed with cameras. We can track her down on the security monitors.
We're coming to help you. Don't move, sweetie. I can't stay here while June's life is at risk. She's my sister. I love her. I can't live without her.
We're gonna go look for her. We'll bring her back.
I'm dying of fear, Sven. June has always been there for me.
She's gonna make it, don't worry. For once I can go into the girls' showers, and it really isn't what I want.
Ugh, that's just gross.
Come on, in the bag. This thing is old. There's a dial to adjust the picture.
June, we see you!
I'm scared, May. There's strange noises everywhere.
Calm down. June, those boards seem to break easily.
Do you think we're gonna get out of this alive?
Of course. Trust me.
Thanks for being there, May. I love you, big sister.
Now, June, just concentrate, okay?
Oof, I could never move them. Oh, please, this has got to be it. The main switch. That has got to open the doors. Oh, please, please, please.
Down to the basement, quickly!
Leave me alone, please.
Nobody's gonna come between me and my sister!
We're almost there.
It's fine, I have a dose of serum.
Out of the way!
Die! Die! I hate needles.
Yeah? Is something wrong?
It's June. She's dead.
What? What happened? May? May?
Oh,
May,
June.
answer!
I can't leave her
May,
like
please,
this.
we need to go.
June, I don't believe it.
I don't believe it either. I can't believe she's gone.
We have to get out of here before we all end up like that.
I suddenly feel really tired.
This is Richard James.
Hi, Professor.
Corey, I found it. The flower is a natural drug from the poisonous Solanaceae family. It seems to have undergone a cellular mutation.
And what are you waiting for, Professor? A research grant? If you want to help, meet us at the hospital.
I'm already here, Corey. I'm in the lab on the ground floor.
Okay, Professor. See you down there. I don't know how I did it, but the lab door's open. That's a bit better. Staff pass. That should make things easier.
We'll take a stepladder next time, huh?
I'm hoping there won't be a next time. So students turned into monsters because they got busy without using protection?
They should have known better. You should always use contraceptives.
Well, it's a little bit too late for a morality lesson now.
I wonder if May's going to be all right.
She's gonna need us, that's for sure. That'll come in handy.
Ow! You really are a jerk. I can't believe June is gone. I hope Sven is okay.
You mean you waited for all this stuff to happen before deciding to hit on Sven?
Oh, grow up. He's just a friend.
Really? You won't find another guy like him, Amy.
I know. Just leave it alone, okay?
I don't want to die in bed. Not like this, anyway.
You attended athletics class, Corey?
Actually, my girlfriends never lived on the ground floor, and their dads didn't like me.
I wonder why.
Jeez, Amy. Don't poke my eyes out.
Then keep your eyes on my face, not anywhere else. Friggin' parasite. eternity going to stop?
I've lost some more brain cells. Battery's full. It's okay.
Did you really need to snort that junk? They can mess around all they want, but not you. I know you found things hard since Leafmore, but so have I. It's one more reason not to give up.
It's been eating away at me for far too long now.
Put up a fight, for Christ's sake. We're family. If I can do it, there's no reason for you to lose it. It's been 2 years, Kenny. Don't just give up.
You've always been the stronger one, and I just can't take it anymore.
Then you're going to die, little brother. Grow up and save your life, please.
Quick!
Get out of here!
Move, Amy, move!
But where are you going?
To the elevator!
That thing is here!
Let's go! Friggin' elevator! It's getting closer!
But what is it?
I don't wanna know! It's in my head!
I don't feel well. We have to get a move on.
Come on. May, you've got to pull through. June would have wanted you to live.
Just don't talk to me right now, okay, Sven? I need you.
Wait for me! Hurry up!
Whew. It's good to be safe.
Yeah, we're safe, but we're also trapped.
Here we are.
Corey,
Someone will pay for what happened to June. I promise.
just focus on getting out of here alive, okay?
I borrowed a battery pack from the hospital. I modified it so it would be compatible with your equipment. It will last longer.
Really? You can do that sort of thing?
Of course, I may be a biology teacher, but I also surf the internet.
Oh, yeah. Right. Of course.
Shannon! Help me, Shannon!
It's fine, I have a dose of serum. Come on, little computer. Show us what you have in your memory.
In a lab like this, I'd try a scientist's name. Hey mate, just get the information from the computer, okay? No gaming or surfing the net.
Okay, we've got the recipe for nitroglycerin.
This filth! Better you than me. Sorry, guys. It's too clean in here. I don't feel comfortable. Can't wait to try out this firecracker.
Okay, whenever you want.
Take cover, it's gonna blow!
Nice fireworks.
The storage area. The professor was right. The ambulance parking lot can't be far away. Ah, that did the trick.
This thing weighs a ton!
To the palace, coach driver!
Right away, princess.
Huh! Slave, my carriage! By the way, did you know Amy's crazy about you?
Maybe.
All you need to do is stay alive, and she needs to stay alive. I can hear the wedding bells already.
Let's just hope they don't turn out to be funeral bells.
Ambulances! It's our only chance to get off campus. They're behind this warehouse. This flower's weird.